hello. Today, we are gonna cut grass. But guess what? There might be garden snakes over there. Over there. Garden snakes. And you cut the grass. Oh, hello. Alright, got it. Hello, you're adorable. Okay, I'll go. Ah! No, that's my wallet. I swear, if you take that, my dad has a machete. He's clearing a path for... Oh gosh, don't jump on me like that. Jeez. Ooh, going in. And guess what? I'm wearing shorts. Hopefully I don't get bitten. Hopefully I don't step on something, to be honest. I'm not going in there. It's not a chance in the world. Okay, today we're gonna play with dog. So we're playing with random dog. His name is Simba, by the way. Simba. Simba. This is a rock. Simba. Ow, gosh. No. Oh, gosh. This is a rock. This is a rock. Ow. Okay, they didn't even hurt. You're not biting a rock. No, put that rock down. Gosh, you had like 5 tennis balls here and you lost them all. You lost all of your balls. Okay, take that rock out of your mouth. Please. No, come on. Chasing random dogs in here. Give the rock. Holy cow. Ah, gosh. Do not drop that on my foot. Ew. Oh, you stepped on your own poop. Ew. That's a rock? Got a rock? Rock? Jeez, scared the heck out of me. Hey guys, we need to cut down this tree because we're gonna put a pool like right here or over there, somewhere. Hello, fan. Ah! Okay, let me actually talk with you guys for a second. So, you know I'm part of Gen Alpha. What the heck is a Sigma? What's a Sigma? Tell me, what's a Sigma? Cause I'm on summer break right now, and my kids, my classmates used to say I'm the Sigma Chad Alpha. What does Sigma or Chad or Alpha mean? I need to know that. Wait, what's that? Oh, never mind, there's a spider. Out the door. Out of the other door. Snickers! There you go. Another dog. Don't hit your head. I swear. Sigma Chad. Heck is a Sigma Chad Alpha? I don't know. It was like, why? No, I random dog again. Oh, boy, I better not touch it. Better not touch that dog, boy. Dog. Where's that other dog again? Snickers. Damn it, name Snickers. Gosh. Yeah, but that grass is tall. He's abusing that piece of wood. Nature has best. Nah, for Google, chill out. Ow, ow, ah. Oh, are you okay? Hello. Hello. I'm bored. Oh, frick. That is a shed. I don't know if it's really a shed. I always called it a warehouse, but shed or warehouse, whatever. Oh my gosh. Whoa, don't even think about it. You do it, I'm gonna RKO you into the ground. Well, that's what it means by RKO. Yeah, don't eat. Ah! Ooh. Dog. Little dog. Ah! That's right. Ah! You listen to me. This minute is like 6 minutes and 10 seconds long now. Said that a little early, but it's fine. Woo, that's a big branch. My purpose as a YouTuber. Whoa, no so. My purpose as a YouTuber is to have you keep you guys ever entertained. That's YouTube. Right? Yeah, that's right. Oh, you guys hungry? You guys hungry? Go on. Don't shit! Ah! Frick. Ugh. Please don't. Hold on, I would have to pause the video real quick. Guys, so it turns out, look, I spilled some. And they're missing a bowl. So you know what I'm gonna have to do? And they need water. Hold on, I'm gonna put my phone in my pocket. You guys might see something way different than I see. I see bowl. You see, I have no idea. Probably a tree or something. I don't know what you guys are seeing. Come on, guys. It's tough as a dog owner. No, don't go inside. You guys need to stay out here. I'll be back soon. I'm filling them up. I have to pause the video again. I'll be back when I finish. Hey guys, 2 water bowls and 1 spider later. That's right, spider got on me. And they're drinking that up. Except this, my dog and my other dog's just. Wait, it's so weird. Oh, that looks so weird. Hold on. No, one more time. Oh. One more time, just one more time. I found. Hey, 2 more times. Oh, that looks so weird. Oh, one more time. This is my last time. Oh, that wasn't right. That one was good. That looks so weird. Bro, that looks so weird. How did you already drink that? It's literally nearly done. How? I think I accidentally got my dog's wet. I thought they were hot. Wait, hold on, let me film. Oh my God. Looks like you have a scar. Oh, you're so wet from there. Let that water break this dude. Jeez. Okay, guys. This is the end of. You got to see my dogs. Anyways, goodbye. I'll see you in the next video. Bye, guys.